Hey guys, so today I'm working on my ventilation system and I've figured it all out like I said before. Now I'm actually installing it, fitting it. Now the first thing that I did is, if you have a look here, you see I've added this panel on the outside of the wall. Now this is 1.85 meters tall and 470 millimeters. Did I say meter? Yeah, 470 millimeters wide. Now, the purpose of this is to have my inlet ducting and my exhaust ducting traveling up and down it, basically. So if you have a look down the bottom here, I'm going to mark, or have marked, there's a little circle here which is actually big enough for the ducting to fit through. You remember the size of my ducting? Now that's going to fit through that. It's not going to go through the final wall on the inside because that's going to be 100 mil. This is much larger to actually fit the size of the ducting in there. So I've attached this panel to the side panel already because I want to drill through both of them right now so that the holes actually match up. And then I can also cut out the foam, the insulation on the other side to that size, and then I know that I can actually fit the ducting into it. Okay, so here goes. Bit nervous about that cut because that's my first hole drilled straight through all my soundproofing and into the other side. Now I'm just going to have a look on the other side because I want to see where it is coming out through, because that's basically the bottom of my hole, and I want to know where that is. Oh, can't believe it. It's right on the edge of my resilient rail, so I might need to lower this a little bit, but otherwise it's okay. All right. So let's drill some more. In fact, I could, yeah, let's do it. I'm thinking I could just get my jigsaw and just cut around here, but I'm not sure it's going to be long enough to do that, because drilling holes like this is ridiculous. Well, let's give it a go. I'm going to get my jigsaw and then I can just cut straight around there like that. That'd be a lot quicker. Alright, just had an idea. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a hole in the top so I know where the top of the hole is. Then I'm going to go around the other side and I'm going to cut my fiberglass out so it's not all fiberglass dust going everywhere when I'm drilling into this, cutting into this thing. So here we go. La la la, 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 la. Yeah. There we go. Good. Now I need my knife, which is in the bloody garage. Just come from the bloody garage. Can't believe it. Honestly, this is the pain in the arse with having a garage like 100 meters away. Do I have another knife? Ah, yes, here we go. I have a little pen knife. That'll do it. It's my new stool, by the way. Doesn't creak like the last one. You may have heard a few creaks in my previous videos. That's because of the old stool. And I got a new stool. And anyway, let's cut. Okay, just going to put the glove on. So now I know how a vet feels when he has to do some testing. Oh, come on, you can do it. No, it's not coming. It's being a bit reluctant. So I'm going to have to do a cesarean section. Hopefully that's going to be enough. Let's try again now. Come on, there we go. It's coming. Oh yeah. Well, partly. About half of it came out. Okay, let's cut around the edge again. I don't think my knife was big enough. But now it should be okay. And hopefully I will see my other hole. There it is. Fantastic. You see the light at the end of the tunnel? That's where it is. Okay. So, I mean, this is quite scary for me because I've literally drilled through my soundproofing and I'm quite close to the window, so sound could get in through there. So this whole box I'm putting on the outside for the ventilation is going to have to be soundproofed as well. So it's another little job, but it'll be worth it in the end because this booth will be fucking awesome. I can't wait to use it. Just want to get the bloody job done. Okay, so I'm going to try my jigsaw out now. More jigsaw fun. Here we go. But okay, here we go. Okay, and I want to go up from this side. There she goes. Woo. 1, 2. Why get 1 disc when you can get 2? Fuck it, let's get 3. Oh my god. Look at this hole. Hello. This is a new hole in my booth. Ah! Okay. So, what's done is done, my child. So, that's good. So now I've got to figure out what to do next. Okay, I think I've got another one of these in the garage. So, I think I'll get it out. I should put it through the hole. I know it's going to fit through the hole, that's no problem. So, now I actually need to build the box. I need to start putting the walls on. Like this, around there. And then I need to put 2 holes in the top for these with fittings, and then fix the whole thing out. That's what I need to do. So I'm going to take this off, get it to the garage. I think that would be a job for tomorrow. So for now I'll get this off, tidy up, and go and have some dinner. So I'll catch you next time on the booth build.